Hey everyone, welcome back to the Daily Eco. Today we're talking about one of the coolest looking houseplants out there, the PILEA Moon Valley. If you love unique foliage, this one's definitely for you. 1. Characteristics. First, let's talk about what makes the PILEA Moon Valley so special. This variety comes from PILEA involucrata and is sometimes called PILEA mollis. Its most striking feature is the rough, textured leaves. They have tiny ridges that look like the craters of the moon, which is exactly why it's called Moon Valley. It's a small perennial herbaceous plant that usually stays under 12 inches, 30 centimeters tall. The leaves are bright green with a darker center that gives them amazing depth. It can also produce tiny, delicate, pale pink flowers. Bonus, it's completely non-toxic to cats and dogs, so pet parents can enjoy it without worry. 2. Indoors or outdoors. So, should you keep it inside or outside? This plant does best indoors in bright, indirect light. Place it near a window with a sheer curtain so the leaves don't get burned. If you want to put it outside, make sure it's in a shaded spot under a tree or balcony. It loves warm temperatures and should never drop below 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius. It also does amazingly well in terrariums where humidity stays high. With good light, it can even bloom indoors. 3. Soil and pot. For soil, choose something light and well-draining. A simple mix of equal parts peat, sand, and worm castings works great. You can add a little vermiculite for better aeration and moisture control. Use a clay pot with drainage holes. It lets the roots breathe and prevents water from sitting. Choose a pot that matches the plant's size. Repot every 2 years or when you see roots coming out of the drainage holes. 4. Fertilizing. Fertilizing is pretty straightforward. From spring through summer, feed it every 2 months with a balanced liquid fertilizer. Or, if you prefer, use slow-release pellets, like a 777 formula twice a year, for example in April and August, to support it during the growing season. 5. Watering. Now, watering. Let the top layer of soil dry out before watering again. This plant really hates soggy roots and can easily get root rot. Never let water sit in the saucer. While it doesn't like wet soil, it loves high humidity. A great trick is to place the pot on a pebble tray with a little water, so evaporation keeps the air moist around the leaves. 6. Pruning. Pruning is minimal with Moon Valley. If the stems start getting leggy, just trim them back at the end of winter. This encourages nice, compact growth in spring. Always remove any dry or damaged leaves using clean, disinfected scissors. 7. Propagation. Propagation is super easy with stem cuttings. Just pick a healthy stem at least 6 inches, 15 centimeters long, remove the lower leaves, and place it in a mix of sand and worm castings. Water lightly, cover with plastic to keep humidity high, and transplant once the roots are established. 8. Pests and common problems. The PILEA Moon Valley is quite pest resistant, but here are the common issues. Yellow leaves. Uniform yellowing usually means overwatering. Scattered spots often mean too much direct sun. Curled leaves, usually caused by too much heat or intense sunlight. Powdery mildew, that white fungal coating on leaves. Treat it with a fungicide and improve air circulation. With its rich color and unique textured leaves, the PILEA Moon Valley is a fantastic choice if you want a decorative, resilient, and easy-to-propagate houseplant. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out our full houseplant care playlist. Link is down in the description. So tell me in the comments, are you planning to add a PILEA Moon Valley to your collection? Thanks for watching, ecologists. See you in the next one.